ما جاءت رسالة تتاجل ربي اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري.
Okay, Prof. Assalamualaikum and very good evening. My name is Muhammad Hamdan and my supervisor is Prof. Siti Aisyah Hassan. Our poster topic is Content Validity of Al-Ghazali Dyadic Discernment Scale, Lawshe'S CVR Method. The research background of the study is content validity ensures that the instrument is measuring what is supposed to measure, having good unidimensionality and reliability. Poor content validity will jeopardize the instrument's psychometric utility. Content validation is the first step in instrument development validations. It will guarantee the instrument to have defensible, accurate, meaningful, and useful properties. This is a formula to how to calculate the CVR, where is NE is a number of panelists indicating essential, and N is a total number of panelists. CVR value range from -1 to +1, where is value inclining towards +1 shows the consensus agreement of the expert on the respective item. On the other hand, a negative CVR value may be obtained when less than half of the experts indicates the item as essential. This objective of the study is assessing content validity of Al-Ghazali Dyadic Discernment Scale using Content Validity Ratio CVR method by Lawshe'S. The method of the study is we use experts from two. We divide to two, professional expert and practitioner expert, to calculate for this CVR, which is professional 5 professional experts from university and 6 practitioner experts from marital and family counseling. And this is funding of this study. Okay, Prof.
Okay, we found that most of the items from the total item of 82 items, most of them reach the minimum cutoff point value. What is our cutoff point value, Hamdan?
Cutoff point value of the study?
Yes.
0.559
0.59 for
yes.
How many experts is that?
11 experts.
0.59 for 11 experts. What would happen if we have less expert? For example, we have only 5 experts that we use for CVR. What would happen to the cutoff value?
Cutoff point will increase, Prof.
So to how many if we have 5?
5 is 0.99.
All right, that is very high, almost
yes.
1, right? So what will happen if we have more? For example, if we have 20, what would happen?
We will 20, we will get 0.42.
All right, so we see that if we have too little expert using CVR method, then the cutoff value becomes very high, 0.99, almost 1, almost perfect. We need an almost perfect item, all right, that everybody agree, all 5 of them has to agree, very high, 0.99. And if we have too many, for example, we have 20, then the cutoff value become a bit low, less than 50%, 0.42 something. So we take in the middle, not too high, not too low. So we take 11 experts, and then the cutoff value become 0.59, which is I think this is an optimum value for content validity. All right. So how many percent of your item actually reach the cutoff value? How many percent of your item?
82%.
82%. All right. So there are a lot. So what will happen to the about 14%, 14 item of your instrument that does not meet the cutoff value 0.59? What will happen to that?
We will be purged and purified at the final stage of instrument validation process.
So what is the conclusion of your study today?
Okay, we will conclude that the result of the studies is viable to proceed the construct validity process.
So it is viable to conduct the next step, the construct validity. All right, I think is sufficient for today's presentation. So unless later on, if we open to the question and answer, but I will not be available. All right. Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you. Assalamualaikum.
Assalamualaikum. Saya tak available lah sebab saya on the flight. Kalau ada question and answer dibuka kan nanti. Stop.